In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Semrush subscription. If you find that Semrush no longer meets your needs, or you're simply looking to pause your subscription for a while, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's make it as straightforward as possible, so you can focus on what matters most. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Ensure it's one you feel comfortable navigating. Once you've got your browser up and running, head to your search engine and type Semrush into the search bar. This should bring up a list of results, with the official Semrush website appearing right at the top. Click on that link to proceed. Now that you're on the Semrush homepage, it's time to log into your account. If you already have a Semrush account, simply click on the Login button and enter your credentials. If you're new or using a different browser and need to sign up, go ahead and complete the registration process. Be sure to have your login details at hand to save time. Once you've accessed your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Subscription Info. This section holds all the details about your current subscription plan. In the Subscription Info section, you'll be looking for an option that reads Cancel Subscription. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. Follow the prompts that appear to finalize your cancellation. It's essential to read through any messages or options carefully to ensure that your subscription is canceled correctly. If you happen to be on a free account, you might notice that there isn't a direct option to cancel. Don't worry, there's still a path forward. In this case, instead of the Cancel option, look for a Contact Us link. This will enable you to reach out to Semrush's support team, who can assist you in canceling your account. They are generally quite helpful and can process your request swiftly. And there you have it, a clear guide to canceling your Semrush subscription. Remember to save any important data you might need before proceeding with the cancellation if necessary. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you found the process easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Semrush support directly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide made your cancellation process seamless.